Hamid Karzai at Chequers. Mr Cameron said reducing troop numbers between now and the deadline in 2014 would depend on a gradual transition to Afghan control. President Karzai thanked him and Britain for sacrificing blood and treasure for the future of his country.
Oh yeah!
Arab League observers in Syria have suspended their mission there today because of the escalating violence in its cities. There were more demonstrations today at the funerals of people allegedly killed by Syrian security forces. Hundreds of people attending the funerals chanted anti-government slogans. Today's two highly charged FA Cup games between Queen's Park Rangers and Chelsea and Liverpool and Manchester United passed off peacefully. High security was imposed at both, as Richard Poe reports police searched all fans entering QPR's ground after an airgun pellet was posted to their defender Anton Ferdinand. And in a further effort to diffuse tension, the usual pre-match handshake between the teams was also cancelled.
Given the threats directed towards him in the last day or so, Anton Ferdinand arrived looking remarkably relaxed. Outside, the police were taking no chances. Full body searches for every fan. Ferdinand lined up against John Terry for the first time since the England captain was charged with racial abuse. Any worries over their pre-match handshake were diffused when the Football Association dispensed with the pre-match ritual. Terry was predictably booed throughout. The match was thankfully uneventful. A soft penalty handing Chelsea a 1-0 win.
She's sniffing my foot.
An unfortunate quirk of the cup, the two teams involved in the season's other racist episode also faced one another. Merseyside police are investigating a complaint that one fan did make another racist gesture. Generally, Liverpool's 2-1 victory over Manchester United was played in excellent spirit.
Both sets of supporters of the Nelson well behaved and great adverts for the respective clubs. There's always a bit of banter which is brilliant between Liverpool and Man U fans, and that's the way it should be.
No.
Coconut. No, that's a coconut.
Both the police and the Football Association would have been very worried by
or I'll kill you.
and